Hey guys, this is Jude from Active. If you want to set up your Active 50-foot hose on a Cox hose reel, this video is just for you. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to get these two working perfectly together. The Active Premium 50-foot hose is built for durability and convenience. It has quick connects securely fastened on either end of the hose with industrial adhesive, meaning no leaks or loose fittings. This allows you to connect easily to a hose reel like the Active Hose Reel and Wall Mount solution. However, many aftermarket hose reels like the Cox Reel model over here comes with a 2/3 external diameter threaded connection. How do you connect the active hose to this hose reel? It's pretty simple. All you need is this adapter here, provided by Cox Reels themselves. You can find it in their catalog under the product number 10759-2. You will see it down the screen below. If for some reason you can't get your hands on Cox's adapter, you'll need to look for one that meets the right specifications. A male 2/3 inch external diameter MPD plug on one end and a female 3/8 quick connect on the other. And we recommend that the whole adapter does not exceed 2 inches in length, which is pretty standard. Once you got this adapter, here's how to set everything up. Step 1. Attach the adapter to your Cox hose reel. You might need some pipe thread or pipe tape and also a wrench to keep it securely in place. Step 2. Once the adapter is installed, click the Active Premium 50-foot hose into the adapter to establish a secure connection, which is this end of the hose. Step 3. You can wind the hose around the hose reel. And Step 4. Ensure that your setup is free from leaks. And that's it. Setting up your Active Premium hose with the Cox reel is simple once you got the right adapter. Follow these steps and you'll have a solid leak-free setup that's ready to transform how you wash your car. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@activeproducts.com. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.